Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So our today's topic is Wi-Fi option not showing in settings on Windows 10. So we will figure it out and it will be solved today. So basically you should have to just go to step 1, just type here services and go to services of your systems. So when you reach there, you just have to find out WLAN auto config. And in W section, you just have to scroll it down, and here is WLAN autoconfig. So you just have to double click on it, and you should have to change your startup type. If it is manual, so you should have to convert it into automatic. So mine was automatic, so I have just put it same. So just click on apply button, and then okay. If By doing this, your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't, so you should have to go to step 2. And what is step? You should have to go to device manager. So you just have to search here device manager, and here it is. And now you have to go to network adapter. Behind, yeah, here it is network adapter. So you just have to find out your device. Yeah, dual band wireless is, yeah, here is my Wi-Fi. So you just have to right click on it when you find out your Wi-Fi. So you just have to click on update driver. By doing this, your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't, so you have to click on, again right click on it. By updating the driver, your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't, so you should have to click on uninstall device. So by doing this, your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't again, so you should have to click on, right click on it, and then go to the properties, and then click on power management. And here you should have to uncheck this option, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. You just have to uncheck it. If your error or issue still on, so you just have to go to the step 4. This one is the last. So type system configuration, and you just have to click on it. Here it is, system configuration. You should have to go to on the services of system configuration and enable all the services. If if it is any option is unchecked, so you just click on enable all. My enable all is invisible because my all the services have been checked. So if in your system it doesn't, so click on enable all and then okay. So by doing these steps, your issue will be fixed. So kindly, if you like my video, so kindly subscribe it and share it. So thank you.